Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we will learn a very key feature of Tableau, that is marks. As mentioned previously during the sessions, that this is the marks card within Tableau interface. And why is it important to learn about marks is because the way data is presented on this worksheet is controlled using the type of marks. So if I click on this drop down here, I'll see there are different types of marks which can be leveraged to create different ways of presenting data. And then you can also control the appearance of the marks on the worksheet using these buttons. You can call these properties. So you can change the color of the marks using this color property. uh, so let us just quickly drag a couple of measures onto the columns and rows, and then try to understand how the visualization or the worksheet can be changed by changing the type of mark, or by changing the property of the marks. Okay, so I'll just double click on sum of profit and sum of quantity. Automatically, quantity goes onto the columns and profit goes onto the rows. So if I look at the y-axis here, and this y-axis shows me the span of profit, the different values of profit within the database, and it's a sum of quantity on the x-axis is the total span of the quantity present in the database. And on the top right hand corner, I can see there is one mark here. So this is what is called as the mark. So everything that appears on the worksheet is a mark. Okay, and so this is currently set to automatic. So Tableau automatically recognizes that, and this is the best way of presenting uh, this mark here. Now what I can do is I can take this category dimension and I can drop it onto the details uh, button over here. So as soon as I drop it onto the detail, now I can see that there are three different marks onto this on this worksheet now. Now what I can do is I can change the type of mark and set it to circle. As soon as I did it, now this each of these marks is changed to a circle. Now again I can take the category dimension, I can drop it onto the color. Now what I see is that each of these marks, now this is colored. For furniture this is blue, for office supplies this is orange, and for technology it is red. Now if I go navigate onto this button, the size button, I click on this, I can change the size of these marks. If I increase the size, you see that the size of the circle becomes bigger. And now label, if I drag the category dimension onto the label, I see that for each of these marks over here, I see the name of the category as well along with it. If I now if I click on this tooltip option, okay, so within tooltip currently I see that there is uh, quantity, that is sum of quantity. Against category I don't see anything. I can go ahead and insert the category. Okay, and for profit again I can go ahead and drag insert the sum of profit. So again I can just change the color as well of this. I can go ahead and change and make it a little bit darker in color, as well as the category name. I can click OK. So once I hover onto this mark, I can see it displays the profit and quantity. You can see the formatting is not correct. I can just go back, and what I can do is I can just clear up this, and okay. So now I can see that as soon as I hover over this, I see the category, profit and quantity for each of these marks. So now I guess you do have an intuitive understanding of how I'm controlling the appearance of these marks basis these properties or buttons within the marks card, as well as I can change the type of mark from this drop down. I can make it a square. As soon as it's change it to a square, and the appearance of this mark on the sheet changes. And this is a very key aspect of how Tableau shows different types of different data visualization, charts or graphs or anything else. So in the coming lectures we will dive deep into the understanding of each of these buttons or properties to have a comprehensive understanding of the way marks function in Tableau. So that is it for this session today. Thanks again for joining.